Is it time to buy or sell SunHydrogen stock? In this video, we will explore SunHydrogen in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of June 2025, our system has identified SunHydrogen as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.64. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 78.14% since we first designated SunHydrogen as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.89% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 0.0446 will first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 15.91% and 74.40%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 29.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 37.05% to positive 30.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 0.0277 and 0.0576. Our latest daily update for SunHydrogen includes the headline: Evaluation of SunHydrogen Inc. stock downgraded after the last trading session. The stock price of SunHydrogen Inc. decreased by approximately 0.677% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025. Dropping from 0.0443 to 0.0440. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.67%, ranging from a low of 0.0428 to a high of 0.0448. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 41.94% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, despite the decline in prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 13 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $558,380. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached 0.0448, while the lowest was 0.0110. Currently, the price stands 1.79%, or 0.0008, below the 52-week high, and 87.02% or 0.295 below the all-time high recorded on the 20th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at 0.339. SunHydrogen Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol HYSR, is making noteworthy strides in the renewable hydrogen sector. Recently, the company showcased a prototype of a renewable hydrogen reactor measuring 1.92 square meters at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Houston. This demonstration highlights SunHydrogen's commitment to advancing its technology aimed at sustainably producing hydrogen using sunlight and water. Such initiatives not only showcase innovation, but also solidify the company's role in the growing green energy market, potentially appealing to environmentally conscious investors. Furthermore, SunHydrogen has contracted the Process Group for the engineering design of a pilot plant exceeding 25 square meters. This significant step indicates the company's ambition to scale its production capabilities, which could lead to increased revenue streams and improved market valuation in the long term. The recent appointment of Dr. Syed Mubin as Chief Technology Officer further strengthens the management team as he brings crucial expertise to guide the technology's development. These strategic moves could enhance operational efficiency and bolster investor confidence. In the short term, the unveiling of the prototypes and pilot plant announcements may drive immediate interest, possibly resulting in a rise in stock price as the market reacts to these developments. Long-term, achieving operational scale and maintaining technological advancements are critical for sustaining growth and profitability, positioning HYSR favorably within the renewable energy landscape. Analysts have assigned SunHydrogen stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SunHydrogen. SunHydrogen Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of approximately 0.0405 and 0.0297. A decline below either of these points would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.677%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, SunHydrogen Inc. experienced increased volume, albeit alongside falling prices. In technical terms, this phenomenon is referred to as divergence and may serve as an early warning sign. While in some instances, rising volume during price declines can be viewed positively, this is primarily observed during typical sell-offs. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 22 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SunHydrogen. SunHydrogen Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 0.043, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.002 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.67%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 7.04%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for SunHydrogen, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SunHydrogen. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SunHydrogen is at $0.0443. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SunHydrogen encounters its first support level at $0.043. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SunHydrogen from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on January 30th, 2025, when Jawahar Hussaini Syed Mubin conducted an insider purchase of 63 million shares of stock options, which grants the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.0427, which represents a decrease of 2.96%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Recently, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is SunHydrogen stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SunHydrogen Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 11th, we anticipate that SunHydrogen will open lower by 1/10,000th of a dollar and begin trading at approximately 4 cents and 39/100ths of a cent. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.